This is a review of the 10-pack of the 1020 Bootstrap Farmer trays along with humidity domes. And so this is the 10-pack. The Bootstrap Farmer trays are really heavy duty and they work really well for bottom watering with these slits and slots on the, or with these grooves on the bottom. This is the no-hole design, so you can bottom water in this one without the water going through. And the 10 by 20 humidity domes, these are really heavy duty as well. They come with easy to use vents. I absolutely love the quality and sturdiness of the Bootstrap Farmer trays and humidity domes. This has been 3 years in use already. And I can already tell you that I have many, many more years to come with these. And I just feel like I'm investing in my growing future by investing in these products versus using single-use plastics.